Hello there, welcome everybody. It's Diorama Don here once more with another idea for you to make a diorama. It occurred to me, looking at my past videos, that I haven't made a water wheel. So I'm going to rectify that this time, and that's what we're going to make. I'm going to utilize my dioramas that I've used in the past two videos. So I started with just the road and the path, and then I made a video for the archway there. But I thought maybe if I put a water wheel in front there, it wouldn't look too bad. Okay, so that's what I'm going to do. So 2.4mm cardboard, as I always use, and I've marked out the outside diameter, which is the inside diameter of this arch. So it will sit kind of inside the archway like that, which was about 4 inches, 10 centimeters. So I've got that first diameter, and then come in about 3/4 inch, about 18 millimeters. That will give the thickness then of the water wheel. And then I've divided the circle into 12 sections, and then come back about 1/4 inch on each of the sections, so that the paddles, when they go in, will be slightly offset. Okay, well, I'll explain when I put the paddles in. Okay, so I need to cut those two pieces out. That will give me two sides then of the water wheel. And then for the hub and the spokes, I thought it would look better with external spokes. So I've just made a simple cross like that. Again, I'll cut that cross out, and that will act then as my spoke. And then for the depth, just a very thin piece of card that I should be able to wrap around the inside of that circle there like that. That will be the inside and give me my depth. The best way, I think, is if I actually do it, cut it all out and assemble it, and then you'll see exactly what I mean. So I'll go ahead and do that, and I'll be back in just one moment. So I cut those different pieces that I'd marked out before and stuck them all together. I think the external spokes look better like that, and then just the circle, and then that thinner piece of cardboard in the middle there, that fits nicely into that inner circle, and then just put these paddles on around the edge, and they're just slightly offset from center. I don't know if you can see that. I don't suppose it really matters, but that's how they were anyway. And then I've just beveled the edge, beveled both edges actually, so that it sits onto the cardboard and just sits proud of the wheel. But that's basically it. I've distressed as much as I can the cardboard with a sharp craft knife. Just cut out pieces on the end, just so that they're not perfectly square, and also distress the surface as well with the sharp knife. So when I come to paint it, it'll give a bit more of a texture to dry brush and what have you. Anyway, that's basically the wheel. So that will sit in front of the archway like that, and then I've got two pieces of styrofoam that I shall put either side that will make up the axle for the wheel to turn like that. So all I've done is just cut a piece of 3/4 styrofoam down the middle, and then distressed it again with the sharp barbecue stick. So when I come to paint all that, it will look hopefully a bit like stone. Okay, so if I go ahead and finish it off now, I think that would be the best thing, and we'll see what it looks like when I've finished it. Okay, finished the whole project off now. So one water wheel diorama, painted the wheel as best I could. It's a very, very quick operation this. I didn't want to spend too much time on it, but it looks reasonably well, I think. The styrofoam I used for the supports either side of the wheel, and then used my usual bricks that I make, Should you need to know how I make them, please refer to previous videos. And also the foliage, just pieces of foam rubber in a liquidizer, and you get that. And then stick it on and paint accordingly. Okay, so easy enough to do, not too long a process to make. Okay, so we'll leave it there. Thank you very much for watching the video. I do appreciate it. I would appreciate it even more if you subscribe to the channel. It does turn, by the way. So, yeah, subscribe to the channel, click the like button, share button, and if you click the all button, you'll be informed when new videos come along. Okay, so again, thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video, something different. And until then, it's bye for now.